So let's just take this. Okay, and here we go. Come on, girls. And let's open. Let's open.
There is something.
Oh,
There is something.
oh.
Let's see something.
हाँ.
वो बोरी मिल गई उनको जिसके अंदर बुक और उनके क्लूज हैं. Now they're going to go through it.
Okay, wait. There are 3 books.
3 books? No, it's 1 book and 3 letters inside.
I'm brave, but I can't do. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, yaar. What? Are you okay? Are you okay? Control.
I'm going to take you to an abandoned factory. आपको डर लगता है?
लगता तो बहुत है.
I'm scared.
You don't believe at all?
No. There are 3 books.
3 books? No, it's 1 book and 3 letters inside.
Something fell? Yeah, I think those bamboo sticks fell. How is it possible? यहाँ पे तो कोई भी नहीं है. Strange. What can it be? Don't know.
I hit my face.
What happened with your face?
I'm not able to survive, Zahara. I want to go back.
Don't give up.
I seriously want to go back.
You?
Yeah.
I want to go back.
Let's go out. Let's give me check. I'm not in lost letters because it's very important. Guys, sit there. Darvaza. What is this about this? Please read its voice because my English very bad.
This is the Book of the Dead. Contestants को Book of the Dead पढ़नी है. This book contains the history of the factory and stories of the dead. Girls को उनका अगला clue इस book से मिलेगा.
Katrina, it's time for you to go for your individual challenge. Best of luck.
Okay, girls. Bye.
Okay, all the best.
Girls, good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
This.
कतरीना अब अपनी इंडिविजुअल चैलेंज के लिए जा रही हैं. Katrina has to go to the boiler room. There she has to find and fix 8 pressure gauges on the marked machine.
Okay.
Let's go. The book should be here.
Where are you girls going? Did anybody ask you to go?
I want to come out. Run, Vijay, I want to come out. I'm not feeling well.
Then you'll have to just sit in this room while all the other girls go and do their challenges. Or you can only come out in the morning.
That's not the way. Run, Vijay, help. I can't breathe. Okay, just move.
Johnsy, tell Priyanka.
How is she going to go back to the gate alone if she can't stay in this room alone? Because you're not going to go with her, right? How is she going to go back? Is she going to walk back alone to the gate? Ask her.
Can you go alone to the gate? Can you go? Even I'm scared, yaar. But I want to go. That's it. I don't know how ever. Just take me out of this place. Please, Priyanka, be brave. I'm brave, but I can't do. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, yaar.
जॉन्सी प्रियंका को पैसिफाई कर रही हैं।
What? Are you okay? Are you okay? Shit. Control.
Gaurav, yeah. Priyanka's feeling pukish. If she's not well, then we should get her out, right?
No, I think we should wait for some more time.
What do you think is the reason? It's because
It could be a psychic attack.
Okay. So we just wait and watch.
Yeah, we should wait and watch.
I'm not feeling well. My head is just rounding.
Yeah, even I wanna go back.
I can't do it. I can't do it because my health is not allowing. Okay, I'm just moving out of this place. I'm ashamed of myself, but at this point I can't do this because I don't know why.
Priyanka, you have to stay here only.
I can't stay here. I'm so ashamed what I'm doing. Everybody's going to watch. But I'm not feeling well. I'm a claustrophobic. I can't
Priyanka,
breathe.
being scared is part of everybody's life. Take your time. It's not a race. You can take 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. But if you quit today, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
I don't want to be here.
Stop crying, please. आवाज नहीं करनी है यहाँ पे. आवाज नहीं.
If you calm down, if you breathe, and if you sit down and if you listen to somebody who's telling you what to do, it might just be the only nice thing happening to you right now.
I will try my level best.
Best of luck, Priyanka. Go for it.
Priyanka has agreed to go for the challenge. She has to go to a marked spot, find the oil, and then oil the marked machine. Girls are now parting ways. Priyanka और जॉन्सी अब अपने challenges के लिए जा रही हैं.
I'm nervous, but you don't give up. Just go to it. I can't see anything.
I'm going to take you to a abandoned factory. आपको डर लगता है? You don't believe at all.
Where is my mark?
I can't do this. I can't see anything. What? Are you fine?
रणविजय, प्रियंका वापस आ गई है.
I'm sorry for being like this, but everybody is not safe.
But please, Ruby.
I can't do it because I don't know how to do it because my mind is choked.
Even I'm scared, yaar.
Okay, girls. Because आप दोनों को बहुत ज़्यादा डर लग रहा है और आप दोनों कह रहे हैं कि आप वापस जाना चाहती हैं. You want to quit. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, you are right.
Step out together. So first you can go to
Priyanka's challenge or Jhansi's challenge, and both of you can do them together. So just go for it.
Okay.
प्रियंका और जॉन्सी पहले जॉन्सी का चैलेंज करने जा रहे हैं. Her challenge is to spot a toolbox. There are 13 tools spread around the place. She needs to find all of them and put them inside the toolbox.
रोके क्या होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा.
प्रियंका और जॉन्सी एक साथ चैलेंजेस के लिए निकल पड़ी हैं. Let's go and see what Katrina's up to.
Both the girls are in Jauncey's personal challenge. अकेले तो इनसे बिल्कुल भी हिला नहीं जा रहा था. But now together they are in one room.
One, two, yeah. Thank you so much. You're most welcome. You will hold it.
Find some room, I'm going inside.
प्रियंका एंड जॉन्सी आर डूइंग इंडिविजुअल चैलेंज. उनको टूल बॉक्स में कुछ निकालना है, बट कुछ बड़बड़ करे जा रहे हैं, which we can't hear. What is that?
मुझे को